This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth headset to your Android phone. So this is easy. I just have these JBL Beam headsets, and this is rather nice. So if you got something like this, all you have to do is swipe down from the top right. We can go to Bluetooth on here, but I'm going to go to Settings, Connected Devices, tap this, Pair New Device. Once it's in the Pair New Device section, just open these up and remove them. And if they're charged, they should be placed in the Bluetooth pairing mode. If you have the AirPods, there's a little syncing button on the back of the case. You can just hold that down with the device inside, and they should show up under this list. Now, the only thing is, if you haven't connected to a previous device with this one, you can see it's not going to connect to my new one because it's connecting to my old phone. So we'll have to go to the settings for the Bluetooth, and we just need to forget it from this phone. And they should show up on this device now. So we might have to put them back in the case and then remove them, and they'll be placed in the Bluetooth pairing mode. You can see they're blinking now. So if they're connected to a previous device, that's one of the reasons why it might not be connecting. So we can just take them out now. Here's the JBL Veeam.